Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Glad to see you here today. We're going to do something. I don't even have a sample for you because I didn't practice it ahead of time. We're going to do it together. But we're going to make something that is a collage inspired by some Cubist painters they're started by Georges Braque and Pablo Picasso. So we're going to use some painted paper that we have and rip it into shapes that I'm going to collage onto my paper that I have right here in front of me. So I'm going to put some glue down first. Just a piece of paper. This is a piece of multimedia paper. You could use construction paper. You could use kind of anything you want. Remember when you're collaging, you not only glue under, but you also glue on top to seal that piece on there. I like where that triangle is. And I'll add this rectangle. Well, I'm using tacky glue because we have that from another project in this bowl. But you could use school glue. You might want to water down some glue if you want, because I do think that makes it easier to spread the glue around. Okay, so I'm going to stop here right now, and now I'm going to take this paint that we have. I know, watch. Oh my gosh. I should make sure I can open it. Now this is paint that I used for another project, and I kept it in this container. This paint, I had mixed in glue, so I'm going to paint over some of the pieces, and I'll paint in between.
I like how you just experiment with different things.
Yeah, it's really fun. I like to just try things out and see where it takes me. So now I'm going to put some more on top. Oh, if you tear this way, you see, you get the little, you can see the white from the under part of the paper. But this side, you get it's all the painted part. So it depends on what you like. If you like to have the sort of rough edge, you can use that. If you like the plain edge, you can use that. Make sure you ask permission because, as you know, people are not always excited when you leave a giant mess. So be sure to clean up after yourself also. Okay, I'm going to stop here because, as we know, sometimes you have to know when to stop. And I don't want this paper to get so heavy that it rips. So,
Let's see. Oh, that's so jazzy.
Voila! What do you think?
Very nice, Miss Kate.
I think it's sort of fun. I actually really like this one. This is a keeper. All right, thanks for coming. I hope you get to make something soon and share it with us. And be sure to clean up after yourselves. And we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody. Thank you for coming.
Bye, friends.